Bitcoin is seeing here right now a bounce, but I'm wondering, is this right now the bounce that we are waiting for, and is the price action going back up now, or is it just a dead can bounce and we will see more downside? So that is something that I want to cover today, so you should definitely stick around. And if you think that is something interesting, then definitely smash up here the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also activate the notification bell so that you will be always notified when I put out one of these really important updates. So, and now guys, let's get here directly into the content. So here on the logarithmic growth curve, we can see that the Bitcoin price is respecting this here to the up and to the downside. So, and I had told you guys yesterday and many days also before that, that if we come here to the bottom of it, that either close to it or just under it, I expect some sort of a bounce here, and that is exactly what we are seeing here right now. We are seeing here a bounce to the upside with the new weekly candle putting in. Also the RSI is more or less trying to turn around here, if I see this correctly. So also there we get like a small bounce, you can barely see it. Yeah, so, but the question is this now the final bounce that we were waiting for, and is the low in right now? Was this the bottom here, $17,700, and are we now reversing back into accumulation and afterwards into a new parabola? So let's have a look at this. When we are going here to the weekly chart, we can see that we have closed the last weekly candle in red as expected under the 200 weekly moving average. So, and that is also here right now absolutely key to pointing out if we go back into an uptrend or not, because right now we put in a doji candle. If this candle stays that way, it is not bad for Bitcoin, but the next candle has to be then a massive green one with a massive pump to the upside above the 200 weekly moving average to reverse here back to the upside. If we cannot break over the 200 moving average here, this blue line that you see, then with a rejection from there, we should expect another low, potentially not a lower low, but another higher low in the best case scenario, so that we have here on a daily time frame then a double bottom pattern, here W-shaped pattern, and out of that reverse back to the upside. So, but that can still take many days before this can be actually happening here. If not by next week, we see here a massive pump back above the 200 weekly moving average. So there you have it. So these are actually my two scenarios. Either we break next week back above the 200 weekly EMA and close above there and then get supported and continue to trend higher. So, or we see another rejection from there and go here lower. So, but I also want to show you what's happening in the immediate short term. So definitely don't just tune out here. So here in the immediate short term, on the 4-hourly chart, we see right now a bullish divergence playing out. So here you have the price going down and the RSI was going up. So that is a classical bullish divergence. You see this playing out right now. So the target of the bullish divergence, I would say, is here at 25,000. Yeah, more or less here. So 22,000 actually. So no, sorry, all the way up here. So there, $25,447. Sorry, $57. So that is what I believe where the price action might be heading right now, because we have broken already above the $20,282 level. So if we can close the 4-hourly candle here in 36 minutes above that, and the next one is starting out in green, that would be also a good moment to open a long position to trade this all the way up to $25,000. So if I measure it from where the price is now all the way up here, so this is 23%. So if you trade this with a 5x leverage only, because this is still a risky trade, you make still here over 115% in a matter of a couple of days, maximum, yeah, a couple of hours, up to 2 days in yeah, I believe in that kind of region. So, and guys, don't forget, if you want to trade this, then definitely go to a Bybit. That is, in my opinion, the best exchange where you can trade, or a Phemex as an alternative. If you use my link here, you will still get $4,050 in free bonuses. We don't know how long this is actually lasting, so definitely take advantage of that. Use here this specific link. Only with this link you will get the $4,050, and on Phemex it's $4,100 if you use my specific link. It only takes a couple of seconds. Sign up, deposit some money, start trading, claim your bonus. So and now imagine if you can trade with this bonus on 25x, you have here then $200,000 absolutely for free for trading if you use here these links in the description of my video and also in the comment below. So definitely check this out. So now let's get back into the Bitcoin chart. We are only a couple of minutes here away from this 4-hourly close. I will also want to have a look here quick on the 50 minutes time frame. What's happening there. So and I want to use another indicator. Let's use here the EMA ribbon to see if we are back in an uptrend. Yes, so here on the 50 minutes we are riding already back in an uptrend. So that is something that we definitely want to see. So but we are retesting this uptrend here right now. So what we don't want to see is on the 50 minutes the price action breaking into the ribbon here again. So that could be then already the end of this uptrend. So we should definitely have an eye on this also over the next 15 minutes. Let's also check the stochastic RSI, what we are seeing here. So yeah, there we get a sell signal right now. So we should be here a little bit cautious in the immediate short term. Let's have a look here on the MACD. So also here this is flipping bearish. So we should be ready for a retest of the middle of the ribbon at $20,522. So if we see a bounce from there, then I'm quite confident that the next 4-hourly candle will push this back to the upside. If not, if we break lower and we break actually under the ribbon, then I would also not open this trade position. So let's also have a look on the 1-hourly how we are looking here. Here we are looking a little bit more bullish, but also here a word of caution. So if the hourly candle, the next one, is not creating here a buy signal with the blue line going over the red line here on a stochastic RSI, then I would also stay away from this trade because then we could see a potential fake out on the 4-hourlies, and then we have to wait a couple more hours. So technically this can go here down for another 3-4 hours. So we come most likely also back immediately to test here the EMA ribbon on the 1-hourly chart. So guys, don't get me wrong, you can take this trade, but you have also to pay attention to the lower time frames, what's happening there, because they can sometimes show you if we're actually up for a fake out or if this might be a legit breakout to the upside. So that's why be cautious here. Wait for the 15 minutes and the 1-hourly to show you direction here with the stochastic RSI where we are heading, and based on that you can then follow the 4-hourly time frame and open this trade position. So because then the 4-hourly will be also positioned differently if the 50 minutes and the 1 hour are in alignment here to the upside. Here you see we are really close to get here this crossover that I was talking about. So if the price pushes a little bit higher, then we will get this also with the next hourly candle. So and that gives us then enough confidence across the time frames to open this long position. Guys, that's it already for today. I hope you enjoyed this content. Leave a comment and let me know if you gonna take this trade and if you are confident in it. And don't forget to smash out the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again tomorrow.